Depression is a mood disorder that involves a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. It is different from the mood fluctuations that people regularly experience as a part of life. Major life events, such as bereavement or the loss of a job, can lead to depression. However, doctors only consider feelings of grief to be part of depression if they persist. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), depression is the main cause of disability worldwide. It can affect adults, adolescents, and children. How to cure depression naturally? To cure depression, I will share with you an effective herb that you'll be drinking and some physical activities, lifestyle and behaviors to adopt. With the combination of these two methods, be sure that depression will be a thing of the past in your life. Herb to take for depression. Ganoderma or reishi mushroom is a world-renowned miraculous remedy which is often referred to as spirit herb because it energizes the spirit to give inner peace even in the most difficult time. Cherished by the Chinese for 2,000 years, it was a favorite tea for the emperors due to its power of immortality. With 119 different triterpenoids and 400 different nutrients, that is just the tip of the iceberg. Preparation. Boil 3 grams of the reishi mushroom for 30 minutes, then take off fire and leave it for 30 minutes to cool down, then take a cup. Don't take more than a cup each day. Try taking it till you feel better. Behaviors and lifestyle to adopt against depression. Being depressed can make you feel helpless when in the real sense you're not. Along with therapy and sometimes medication, there's a lot you can do on your own to fight back. Changing your behavior, your physical activity, your lifestyle, and even your way of thinking are all that can help you naturally conquer depression. Here are 10 tips by WebMD.com. You can start right now if you want to treat depression naturally. 1. Exercise. You don't need to run marathons to get a benefit. Just walking a few times a week can help. It temporarily boosts feel-good chemicals called endorphins. It may also have long-term benefits for people with depression. According to Cook, regular exercise seems to encourage the brain to rewire itself in positive ways. 2. Eat healthy. It's a good idea to watch what you eat, though there is no magic diet that fixes depression. Depression can make you overeat or starve yourself. Whichever the case may be, the ability to balance your eating will help you feel better. Although nothing is definitive, Cook says there's evidence that foods with omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and tuna, and folic acid, such as spinach and avocado, could help ease depression. 3. Get enough sleep. Depression can make it hard to get enough shut-eye, and too little sleep can make depression worse. What to do? Start by making some changes to your lifestyle. Go to bed and get up at the same time every day. Try not to nap. Take all the distractions out of your bedroom, no computer and no TV. In time, you may find your sleep improves. 4. Take on responsibilities. When you're depressed, you may want to pull back from life and give up your responsibilities at home and at work. Don't. Staying involved and having daily responsibilities can help you maintain a lifestyle that can help counter depression. They ground you and give you a sense of accomplishment. If you're not up to full-time school or work, that's fine. Think about part-time engagements. If that seems like too much, consider volunteer work. 5. Challenge negative thoughts. In your fight against depression, a lot of the work is mental. Change how you think. When you're depressed, you leap to the worst possible conclusions. The next time you're feeling terrible about yourself, use logic as a natural depression treatment. You might feel like no one likes you, but is there real evidence for that? You might feel like the most worthless person on the planet, but is that really likely? It takes practice, but in time you can beat back those negative thoughts before they get out of control. 6. Consult your doctor before using supplements. Cook said, there's promising evidence for certain supplements for depression. Those include fish oil, folic acid, and same. But more research needs to be done before we'll know for sure. Always check with your doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you're already taking medications. 7. Do something new. When you're depressed, you're in a rut. Push yourself to do something different. Go to a museum. Pick up a used book and read it on a park bench. Volunteer at a soup kitchen. Take a language class, etc. When we challenge ourselves to do something different, there are chemical changes in the brain, Cook says. Trying something new alters the levels of the brain chemical dopamine, which is associated with pleasure, enjoyment, and learning. 8. Try to have fun. If you're depressed, make time for things you enjoy. What if nothing seems fun anymore? That's just a symptom of depression. Cook says. You have to keep trying anyway, and in this time, change your perception to agree that it's all about fun. 9. Get in a routine. You need a routine if you're depressed, says Ian Cook, MD, psychiatrist and director of the Depression Research and Clinic program at UCLA. Depression can strip away the structure from your life. One day melts into the next. Setting a gentle daily schedule can help you get back on track. 10. Set goals. When you're depressed, you may feel like you can't accomplish anything. That makes you feel worse about yourself. To push back, set daily goals for yourself. Start very small. Cook says. Make your goal something that you can succeed at, like doing the dishes every other day. As you start to feel better, you can add more challenging daily goals. That's it on how to cure depression. Note, even though our procedures are 100% natural, with no side effects, yet, it is at your own risk. This video is for educational and informational purpose, and not as substitute for the advice, diagnosis and/or treatment of a qualified licensed health professional. Please check this video description for our disclaimer, and to find helpful paths on this topic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, share our channel with your family and friends so they can benefit as well.